Good morning, fourth graders. I'm here today to show those of you that are working in Math and Focus what I want you to actually complete each day in a lesson. So I'm here logged in as Sullivan. Hi, Sullivan. Even though he's not even doing Math and Focus right now. So first thing, you go into the Math and Focus folder, you can see there are two links here to the student edition. You probably don't have access for it at home. Or I mean, you don't have a copy of it at home, and I don't think it's in your Think Central. So when you go in, you link in here, you can go to Contents and scroll and find the chapter that you're on. It's a little clunky, but I guess better than nothing, right? So it'll open up to the page and you can see what you're looking at. All right. Oh, look at that. I just learned something. I just learned something and it moved away, but if you click this part right here, it will open it in a new tab as a big item. So if you want it larger, or it looks like maybe even this you could do, you can make it larger. So when you're in your lesson, you're going to go into the folder that you're in. Let's say I'm in chapter 5. When I'm in the chapter, it will tell me each lesson that I have to do. Here it tells me the student book pages and the workbook pages that go with that lesson. And it tells me the order that I need to go in to get my work done. So I watch the videos, I read the learns and do the guided learning practice. I do the let's practice. Then I do the workbook problems, the IXL. Notice it says to 80 or 90%, which is helpful because otherwise you'd be spending a lot of time doing IXL. And then look at this, the lesson check-in. So once I click in here, it will have for me the lesson video, and then it has the answer keys for the let's practice and the workbook keys. I can be flexible on the let's practice if you are feeling like this is a topic that you totally get and you don't need a lot of practice on. I will allow you to skip those. The IXL links here you click on that, and then once you're in, you click on each one. I do suggest you are in IXL prior to clicking those links so that you will be logged in. But at the bottom here, this is the one that people are skipping. This FaceTime, this check-in. Once you hit the end of a lesson, you need to do this check-in. It's not going to let me do one because I'm logged in fakely as Sully. So you need to hit start new attempt. Most of them are 2, 3, or 4 questions. And the scores help me track what lesson you're on, if you've done one a day, and also how you are doing on that material. So again, I really appreciate all the hard work you're doing, and I know that we all would much rather be at home. One last thing I can show you is here I posted the grid view was allowed in Google Meet for kids, so that's another good piece of news. So I hope everybody is doing well, and I will see you today at 11 o'clock.